In a 1 kilometer race, P beats Q by 40 meters or 7 seconds. Find P's time over the course. Now, from the given data, we can say that Q covers 40 meters in 7 seconds. Now, as distance and time are directly proportional, we can easily find out the time required for Q to complete the race. The race is of 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meters. Let's assume the time required by Q as X. Now by cross multiplying, we get X is equal to 1000 into 7 divided by 40. So solving this, we get the time required for Q to complete the race as 175 seconds. Now P is winning the race. That means P will require 7 seconds less than Q. So P's time will be 175 minus 7, that is 168 seconds. Or if we convert it to minutes, it will become 2 minutes and 48 seconds.